Hello students, class 4th A, class 4th A, subject JSC date 1 to 2021, and we are studying lesson 4, adaptation in animals. Lesson 4, adaptation in animals. Adaptation in animals. We are studying this lesson. We have completed adaptation to environment, and today we are going to study about the adaptation for protection. Adaptation for protection. Animals are adapted to protect themselves from their enemies. How they are adapted to protect them from the enemies. So, adaptation for protection. Adaptation for protection. Many animals adopt some special features to protect themselves from other animals that may eat them. Animals like chameleon and Arctic fox have the ability to change their skin color to match their surroundings. So these animals are able to change their body color according to the environment. Suppose they are in the grass, their body color will be green in color. So enemies cannot easily recognize them, so they can protect themselves from the predators. Now next, animals like elephant, whale and hippopotamus have no natural enemies. Their size sets away most of their enemies. Now next, animals like tortoise and snail have a hard shell that protects their soft body parts when attacked. You can see the diagram which is given in our book. See, this is chameleon. It is in the grass, so its body color becomes the green. And this is the hippopotamus. It has a very big body, so enemies cannot attack on them. And this is the snail, it having the hard shell, So animals like deer and kangaroos, animals like deer and kangaroos can run away very fast to escape from enemies. They run very fast. By running, they protect themselves from their enemies. Animals like polar bear and leaf insects can trick their enemies because their body color easily blends with their surroundings. Polar bears color is white and snow is also white. So their body color is just like the color of the eyes. So enemies cannot recognize them. Animals like wasps and scorpions protect themselves by having painful and poisonous stings. You are familiar to the scorpion? It has the painful stings. It can stings and that may causes severe pain. Animals like tigers and lions have sharp claws which they use to move their enemies. So animals like tigers and lions have sharp claws which they use to maul their enemies. So they have the sharp claws which help them catching the prey. They hold the prey properly. Adaptation in behavior. Next one is the adaptation in behavior. Adaptation in behavior. One term migration. Migration is the mass movement of animals from one habitat to another. Migration is the mass movement of animals from one habitat from one place to another. Animals and birds migrate to a warmer climate in search of food and to escape a harsh winter cold. They return back in spring. You are familiar to Siberian crane. Siberian crane, sea turtle and Arctic tern are some animals that migrate. So they move from harsh climatic condition, from harsh habitat to sophisticated habitat. For the protection from harsh environment. Next one is the hibernation. Next one is the hibernation. Next, hibernation. Hibernation is the long winter sleep. Hibernation is the long winter sleep that some animals go to. Once again, hibernation is the long winter sleep that some animals go to. Animals like mice, frog, bat, and snake store extra food in the body as fat during summer and use this energy to stay alive throughout the hibernation period. Next one, estivation. This is called as the long summer sleep. Next, estivation. Estivation. Estivation is the long winter sleep. It is long winter sleep. As this is hibernation is the long. This is hibernation, long winter sleep. This is long summer sleep. This is long summer sleep. It is long summer sleep. Estivation, long summer sleep, and hibernation, long winter sleep. Estivation is the long summer sleep. Many amphibians and crocodiles estivate to avoid hot, dry summer months. Some insects, snails, and fish also estivate to wake up after the dry seasons. So that's for today. Thank you.